omukoro gwatandika n'okushaba kw'abakwebembirwe Bishop w'obureberezi rwa Rwenzori Right Reverend Reuben Kisembo. Omukuborera kwe yayihanangiriza abantu abarukushabiriza aba barikuba besimbire sente okurekeraho omuzogu.
Financial favors buno buli bwaenda mu sente nyingi wena sente n'obundi arabire mu bundi akina sente bandi bekulingwire but to urge that was going through this national general elections tulege okesha jambo kya sente. Let us ensure there is political ethics and voter responsibility. Citizens should stop soliciting financial favors from political aspirants. All candidates must avoid voter bribery.
Nabwanyu mukoro gwatandika n'omuhikirwa w'obukama Calvin Armstrong arukusima omukama ahabwe ebye bihikirweho myaka 30 kandi yayoreka kuna byingi bikirumu nibyija
abanyunya omukama mfuzi turubawa turakwezanga kutamba kigambo kigakibugara twagamba kuteka mbaraga kitya okwekigendererwa kitabekyo okuyonja oruga runka kikaba n'okuyonja entekereza yitu tujja kugenda obulisaza abamasaza tujja kwija n'entekereza eno tuhinduremu entekereza y'abantu baitu ebibera byaitu tubirolere turuga mu programu y'abaragakiki tugende mu by'amaizi tugende mu by'amataka gaitu byona twekaguze kugamba ekingu abantu baragakiki kakuba tutatwara engeso zaitu abatora.
Entare ya toro yatandikiraho n'okurabura abo bona besimbire okukora kyona ekirikubasika okureba ngu bahikirize emyoga yabo nikwe kurabura barikutinisiza bagenzi babo.
Ninterera abakwenda webembezi musobole kurungi ebigendererwa byanyu nukwo abantu basobole kukoma abembezi abasemerire. Webembezi ukuraba mukugulira nokutinisiriza abakomi kwija kutwara toro yitu mbeisu na Uganda. Aha nshonga yitako omubukama entare yaragira ko hatine muntu weno ino obushoborozi okubinga abantu ahitaka. Nibamanyisa emyenda ya toro inywena ngu tukyali mukayitano okugara ebyapa by'amataka g'obukama. Nisaba Right Honorable Speaker kutiyamba ansonge enkuru muno ninterera abantu abali amataka g'obukama kwataniza na Kingdom Land Board nuko mutunge ebihandiko amataka ganyu abantu abakweserura ebyabo baleke kuhabisa abantu baitu.
Arikugamba hakuza hangoma ko kwabiro kwe byafayo munsi yona agutamba yakozesa omugisha ogw'okusiima nyina Best Kemcha hamwe na mukuru w'ihanga abamureberire okukura.
Baitu ninkusiima kunkuza ebirungi byona byonkolire kuruga mu buto agondagonda akiki mukama Ruhanga akuha omugisa akiki. Ninsiima President w'ihanga obusagiki obwingi emyaka enu yakwingwire. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ninkusiima muno. Ninsiima omujwera Musuga akiki. Ninsiima Assistant Batebe aboli mukajoyi.
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni owajecherwa Speaker w'ishenjero ry'ihanga Anita Amongu nk'omugenyi mukuru yasiima obukama bwa toro ahabwo kugira enkoragana nungi na government ya NRM.
Relationship with the NRM government. The government recognizes the various development projects being spearheaded by the Kingdom in areas of education, tourism, health, etc. I thank the Kingdom for mobilizing its subjects to embrace the Jobs and Wealth Creation campaign, which is aimed at lifting our people from poverty.
Speaker hona yayigita abanyadini babanza kushaba omukama ngo atunje omukazi.
To create warmth in the palace. And as I say, the king is my very good friend. I have even pledged the king Your Majesty, you know I'm a cattle keeper. I have told you just get a partner. I will pay all the cows.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Jonan Tsingwire.